What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Tuki and I'm back again with another video. Today we are having a mukbang. So today in the mukbang I have king crab. So this is actually like a cluster. So yeah, they're all connected. I don't know. I got it from Central Market here out in Dallas or whatever. We have the little baby cucumbers. I got some boiled eggs here. I got some little lemon on the side. And I have my actual sauce over here that I made. And to drink, I have my Minute Maid blue raspberry Minute Maid. It's really, really good. I put it in the freezer, so it's kind of slushy. But I also got some water over here that I was drinking earlier. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and say grace and we'll go ahead and get it in. I gotta thank you for watching. Amen. Amen. So I'm really excited because I always eat king crab, yes, but I've never seen them like this. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see that? Like it's like a cluster of these king crabs. The king crab. I've never had them like this before. You know, they sell them individually, but I've never had them in a cluster. So, but anywho, let's go. Got my little baby cucumber right here. Got my little spoons. I got. Oh. Oh, baby cucumber. I'm ready to go ahead and get into this. I'm really excited about this. I know it's still the same, but ooh. Also, like I said, I bought these from Central Market. Ooh, look at that, it's hot too. I bought these from Central Market, up the street from my house. So I live in Plano, Texas. So I say Dallas, but you know, I hear the same. It's right up the street from each other. So, look at all that. And normally I boil my seafood. But today I baked them in the oven for about 25 minutes. So we're gonna see if I like them. We're gonna find out together what it is. What's happening? Look at that. Look. Ooh, look at this thing. I just made this sauce today. Mmm. 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 I love that. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh. So good. Mm. They got me an extra knuckle on that one. That's really good. Okay. Look at that. Ooh. Get that in there like that. Ugh. Them sauces, they lie. Let's do an egg. Oh, they want to go and jump right on in there, didn't it? That's what you was going anyway. Mm. Mm. Ooh. These are some big old king crab. I normally get my king crab from Sam's Club or Costco. But I was watching excuse me, Cuzzo AB. And she said she had got hers from like this at the Central Market. It's fresh too. Mm. I don't know if Central Market everywhere, but they got them here in Dallas, and it's look at that. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Hard coming out. That's the bad. Look at that. Let's see. Let's pull that right on out of there. I knew. Ooh, did y'all see that? Let me. Ooh, look at all that goodness. There ain't even really no fat on here. Okay. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Oh, that's some onions. Yeah. That's that there. We'll go ahead and see about the blueberry, raspberry tub out. Have y'all tried these yet? They got all different flavors. Some new ones that just came out. This is my favorite right here though. The raspberry, blue raspberry. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this into my sauce. Make it a little spicy, more spicy. A little bit more of a kick. Another cucumber. Oh. Look at that. Ooh. This is old knuckle off. Ooh. Ooh. So I think I do like it better baked. It's not really taste better, and I basted it or whatever. But you know, you baste the outside. It ain't really just whatever. You gotta put it through the little. You can see that part right there, but the consistency is better to me. I like that. I'm gonna have to bake these. Ooh. Please tell me y'all can see that. Ooh. Mm. That's really good. I always forget my lemons every single time. It's so good, even without them. Oh, look at that. That's how big that is. It's bigger than my face. Look. That's some big old. And this ain't even the big. I done had bigger ones than this, but these are big though, still. Oh, let's see. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna do it like this. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Ooh. Okay. And then cut that girl on the other end. So what's up? Oh. So if y'all haven't already, go back and look at my last two videos. Oh, look at it, it just fell out. Oh! And there's no fat on this is some good meat. So I made my last video, I made the actual, I showed y'all how I did the, well, 2 videos ago, I showed y'all how I did the catfish video that I had did. I showed y'all how I made it. So if you haven't seen it already, go back and watch that video. And then my sister and I, we did a mukbang eating the food that I cooked. So it's a pretty good video. What y'all say? I'm gonna tag it in this video so y'all can go watch it if you haven't already watched it. Look at it. Oh. Tastes good. That's just so good. So I finally finished. I gotta put it in my mouth. I finally finished the show I was telling you about, The Designated Survivor. If you haven't watched it, it's a really good show. It's on Netflix. Ooh, that's wrong. That's ooh, that's oh, that hurt my hand. Oh, these things are sharp. So it's about the, like as I had said, it's about the presidency, or whatever. Of course, it's not the real president. They use some fake people or whatever, but it's really, really good. It's 3 seasons and it's really good. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. And speaking of the presidency, please vote. I'm not here to tell you who to vote for, nothing like that, but vote. We gotta vote. Your vote does. Oh, look at it. Ooh, child. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at yonder. Your vote matters. So please vote. We just have to vote. But anyhow, look at. Ooh. Mm. 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 Mm, mm, mm. Oh. Mm. So I have a question. Oh yeah, I don't know why he laughing. And so I was having this debate about boiling eggs. So let me show y'all. I boil eggs. I know how to boil an egg. I know how to boil some rice. I know how to boil. The egg is yellow right there. Yellow. If you boil your egg and it's gray, maybe you don't overboil your egg. If you boil your egg and it's runny, you don't underboil your egg. But if you boil an egg and it look like that, that's how you boil an egg. People don't know how to boil eggs. People don't know how to boil rice. tell me how long y'all boil y'all eggs for, and I just want to know the time frame. Because eggs should just be. I think that should be the way I just showed y'all. Am I wrong? Let me know. But that's what I think. Because when I was a little kid, I used to get those little boiled eggs when we used to do the little Easter egg hunt, and that was great. And I thought, this egg overboiled. Or she dying, one of the two. Mm. Ooh. I like the little personals. This whole time, I ain't even got one lemon. I keep forgetting, but it's good without it. With or without. It's you know, it gives it something with it, but it's still good. Oh. I can eat seafood almost every day. Woo! That is good. That's really, really good. Oh, get out of there. Oh. Wow. Oh, get that. Oh, you gotta get all of it. I just look, hey. This seafood sauce is this is the personal. You cannot share this with nobody because you have to literally dig your hands in there to get the contents that you want out of. You want a little onion, a little ginger, all of that. Baby, let's get there. Woo. Alright guys, as always, thank y'all for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video with anybody and everybody. Please, please, please. Thank you all for watching this. We'll see you guys next time with another video. Peace.